So Nathan, today I would like to count to 5 with dinosaurs. Would that be okay?
No, we go fight dinosaurs at the tree.
I know we could fight with the dinosaurs later, but right now we have to pick 5 dinosaurs to fight with. Is that okay?
Okay.
Let's pick 5 dinosaurs we like and then we'll fight with them. Is that fair? So now we have to learn how to count to 5, okay? Because we want to play with 5 dinosaurs, and we have more than 5 dinosaurs. So what we want to do is learn how to count to 5 with dinosaurs, all right?
Okay.
Fair enough?
Yeah.
Okay, let's give it a try. So let's go to the dinosaur park together, right?
Okay.
Cool beans. So now we have to count the dinosaurs. So you want to sit down and count with me?
Yeah.
Or you want to get in there and count? So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
8, 9, 10,
11, 12. Good. Can you count? Let's count those again. This time you count them for me. You do it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Excellent. High five. Now we have to choose 5 that we want to play with. Let's pick 5 together that you like. Can you do that?
I want T-Rex.
You want a T-Rex. Get the T-Rex. Cool beans. That's how many is that? How many dinosaurs do you have in your hand?
2,
1.
1.
That's 1 dinosaur. Very good. Now let's pick another dinosaur. What dinosaur do you want to go with?
This one.
Cool beans. Cool beans. Now, Nathan, guess what? You now have, how many dinosaurs do you have in your hand? 1.
1.
You have more than 1. How many dinosaurs? Count your dinosaurs.
1, 2.
Amen. Very good. Nathan, very good. You have how many dinosaurs? 2 dinosaurs are in your hand. Excellent, Nathan. Good job.
I smacked him.
Show him who's boss now.
You never heard me.
Oh, not today. How many dinosaurs do you have in your hand? Count them quick.
1, 2.
2. Yes. Very good. Show him who's boss.
I myself.
You have to pay. All right, excellent. Now, let's pick another dinosaur that we want to fight with.
This one.
Go ahead. Nice. Let's get a good close-up of him. He's smaller, so we're going to get a good close-up. Okay, great. Do we know the name of that dinosaur by any chance?
Name is
I don't know.
Ceratops.
Ceratops. Sounds good to me. Daddy doesn't know, to be honest with you, but Ceratops is definitely a dinosaur. We'll look into that. We'll find out what the name of that is. Guess what? How many? Now put all your dinosaurs together. Count your dinosaurs for me, buddy. How many dinosaurs do we have?
2,
Count them out.
3, 4,
No, let's try it again. It's not 4, it's a different number. 1,
2, 3.
That's right. You have 3 dinosaurs, Nathan. High five, buddy.
I got Ceratops too.
Ceratops. Excelente. It's a little Spanish for you. Now, we're getting close here. Put him with the other dinosaurs. Excellent. Now we got to count our dinosaurs together, because remember, we need 5 to play this game. Let's count those dinosaurs. Put your hand on them and start counting.
1,
2,
3, 4.
4 dinosaurs. Nathan, you're doing really, really good. High five.
I like the green one.
Green one makes nothing but sense to me. I like his look. I like his style.
He's like orange, like green smashers block.
Excellent.
And the red and green is like scrapes eels. Like
Yeah.
it smashes so backwards.
Okay. So we're going to put those there. Now let's count these out, because I don't know how many we have now. I think we have too many. So one of them may have to go, one, or we may have to add a few. So we got to count now, okay, buddy?
Okay.
Let's count these out. 1,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6. Very good. So guess what? We're only going to play with 5, right? We said we're going to count to 5. We're going to play with 5. So we have to take 1 away. If we have 6, Nathan, Nate Dog, if you have 6 dinosaurs and you want to play with 5, one of them has to go away. So let's make one of these go away. Which one do you not want to play with out of these 6? You want to take the big dog away?
Yeah.
All right. No problem. So let's count our dinosaurs to make sure we got the right ones. How many dinosaurs we got now? No. Count them out. How many? Count. How many dinosaurs do we have? 1.
2.
Okay, count them out.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay, let's count them out again, because that was definitely not 8 dinosaurs down here, right? So I'll put them in a row for you. When you count, you always want to count kind of in a row. Help yourself out, right? Make sense? So, Nate Dog,
Yeah.
count your dinosaurs. Count them. Let's try it. 1. No, count again. Pay attention. Are you ready? 1.
2, 3, 4, 5.
Excellent. I'm real proud of you.
Yeah.
Nathan, how many fingers do I have up?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5. High what? High five, baby. I like it. Excellent work. Are you ready to play with these dinosaurs and have some fun?
No, circle.
Let's go crazy with these dinosaurs, because you counted to 5. Let's make the magic happen. We gotta have a destruction zone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 dinosaurs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 dinosaurs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 dinosaurs. Use your finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 dinosaurs. Is everybody ready to go take a swim? Oh yeah, swimming sounds good. It's hot out here. It sure is. How many dinosaurs are you? We're 5. Okay. Enjoy the ride. No way, I was just thinking that wasn't the best thing. Okay. Thank you.